Imagine a duck.
Huh?
Hey,
Rolf! Incoming!
Holy mackerel!
I ain't touching that.
Hello, Ed boy! Many doors yet? All that hard work. Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks?
Dorks.
Yes, that is what I said.
No, you said
Do not fool Rolf! Say the magic words.
What? And ruin all this frustration? Huh?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Hello. Is that the support beam to the house?
what's a support?
This has been quite a day.
Oh, man. You guys are in so much trouble.
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
Home wreckers! Look how unhappy Plank is!
And you kiss your mother with